Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 7 of class 7 subject English 2, tenses. Verb come in three tenses, past, present and future. The past is used to describe things that have already happened. Example, earlier in the day, yesterday, last week, 3 years ago. The present tense is used to describe things that are happening right now or things that happen every day. The future tense describes things that are yet to happen. Example, later, tomorrow, next week, next year, 3 years from now. These tenses are further divided. See the table below. Tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. In the present tense, there is simple present. I play a football. Example is present continuous. I am playing football. Present perfect. I have played football. Present perfect continuous. I have been playing football. Past tense, simple past. I played football. Past continuous, I was playing football. Past perfect, I had played football. Past perfect continuous, I had been playing football. Future tense, simple future. I will play football. Future continuous, I will be playing football. Future perfect, I would have played football. Future perfect continuous, I would have been playing football. Now simple present. The simple present tense is used for habits or repeated actions as I usually get up at 6 o'clock. We play tennis every day. For general truth, things that are always true as water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, fish live in water. For things that stay the same for a long time as my grandparents lives in Nagpur, Anand bats well. Exercise 1. Below are 6 general truths. Fill in the blanks with suitable verbs. Use the simple present tense. Now the first one, the sun dash in the west. It is sets. S-E-T-S, sets. Birds dash nests. Build, B-U-I-L-D, build. Rain dash from the clouds. Falls. Cows dash grass. Eat, E-A-T, eat. Frogs dash both on land and in water. Live, L-I-V-E, live. The earth dash round the sun. Revolves, R-E-V-O-L-V-E-S, revolves. Next, what do you usually do on Sundays? Write 5 sentences using the simple present tense in your notebook. So, the sentences you may write, I will tell you. I read books, I finish my assignments, I clean my room, I play with my friends in the evening, I watch a film. Okay. Now, present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is mainly used for action which are happening now. They are playing cricket, means they are playing now. Okay. Your friends are waiting for you. Hurry up. Ravi is using the internet. Look, somebody is picking flower. Okay. Next, we have second, to talk about action that are happening around now but not necessarily at the time of speaking. Mr. Ramlal is writing a novel. He has started the novel but not yet finished. At this moment, he may be doing something else. To talk about people's plans or arrangements for the future, they are painting their house this month. I am going to my hometown on Saturday. We are meeting Mr. Ramlal this evening. Mr. Menon is flying to Singapore tomorrow. Okay, now exercise 3 we have fill in the blanks with verb in the simple present tense or present continuous tense. Choose verb from the bracket. Okay, so here the first one we have, he dash for a walk every morning. It is goes, G-O-E-S, goes. Second one, the sun dash during the day. Shines, S-H-I-N-E-S, shines. Third, oh lovely, the sun dash again is shining. I-S-A-S-H-I-N-I-N-G, shining. Fourth one, I dash a glass of water. Want. Where is Usha? She dash her hair. She is washing. 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 According to the timetable, the train dash at 12:15. Arrives. 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 I dash my uncle tomorrow. Am meeting. 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 Ashok dash two sisters. Has. Has. Simple past tense. The simple past tense is used for an action finished at some time in the past. We often talk or think about a definite time in the past. Example: yesterday, last Monday, last month, in 2001, 5 years ago. Examples: Sanjay phoned me last night. She passed the driving test in April. Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. Okay. Next, we recorded yesterday's match on video. I slept well. That is last night. Exercise 4. What did you do yesterday? Write 5 sentences in simple past tense. So, write sentences you are going to write is: I got up at 6 a.m. I had milk with my brother at 7 a.m. I watched the morning program on TV. We had lunch at 1 p.m. I played badminton with my friends in the morning. These sentences you can write in your notebook. Okay. In English 2 notebook, you are going to do exercise 2 also, beta, and exercise 4 also. The answers I have already told you in this video. Present perfect tense. We use the present perfect tense for action in the past when we are not talking or thinking about the exact time that happened. There may be result now. This tense connects the past with the present in some ways. Was: Mr. Joshi has gone to Pune. He is not here now. Anand has eaten all the biscuits. There are none left for you. Simple past versus present perfect tense. Compare the sentences below. I had finished the work. I am not free now. I finished the work an hour ago. The simple past tense is used in this sentence because the expression an hour ago breaks off its connection with the present. We can use the present perfect tense with just to say that something has happened very recently, as she has just gone out, the train has just arrived. We often use the present perfect tense with ever, never, yet, already, once, twice, several times, etc. as: have you ever seen the Taj Mahal? I have never traveled by plane. Ravi hasn't returned the CD yet. We have already had breakfast. I have been to Singapore twice. We can use the present perfect tense of verb like know, be, live, stay, work for actions states which began in the past and are still continuing, as she has been ill for 5 days. She is still ill. I have known Mr. KV Singh since 1995. They have lived here for 3 years. They are still living here. Compare the above sentence with this. They lived here for 3 years. They are not living here now. Exercise 5. Fill in the blanks with the verb in the present perfect tense. Choose from the box. He dashed his foot, so he is not playing. Has hurt. has HURT hurt. I dash the plants. Have watered. WATERED watered. We dash the crossword puzzle easily. Have have SOLVED solved. Who dashed the cake? Has has MADE made. I dash in Mysore for 5 days. Have stayed. have STAYD stayed. Suresh dash me these CDs. Has lent. has LENT lent. Next, present perfect continuous tense. We use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about actions which started at some time in the past and are still continuing. This tense is often used with the time expression how long, since, and for. Suresh has been using the computer since 10 o'clock. It has been raining for 2 hours. We have been living here for 4 years. For such action, we can use either the present perfect or the present perfect continuous tense with verb like live, stay, work, lie, etc. There is almost no difference in the meaning between the last sentence above and the following sentence. We have lived here for 4 years. Since and for. Note that since is used with a point of time, example 9 o'clock, last Monday, last month, 2002, and for with a length of time, example 2 hours, a month, 5 years, a long time, etc. I have been learning English since 2000 for 5 years. The present perfect continuous is also used for action which finished a short time ago. The result of the action happens in the present, as the children's hair is wet because they had been swimming in the river. Why are your clothes dirty? I have been cleaning the store room. Now, past continuous tense. We use the past continuous tense to talk about something which was in the middle of happening at a past time. Note the following conversation. I phoned you at 7:45 this morning and there was no answer. What were you doing? I was having a bath. The past continuous tense is often used with the simple past. It shows that the action was continuing at a time when a new shorter action happened. This simple past is used for the new action. Example, the TV screen went blank when I was watching the news. The tire burst when he was turning a corner. Exercise 6. Put the verb in the bracket into the simple past or past continuous tense to complete the following sentences. Use both the tenses in each sentence. So, it rained when we dash out. It was raining. R-A-I-N-I-N-G, raining, when we went out. Okay. Second, she cut her finger while she peeled potatoes. She cut her finger while she was peeling. P-E-E-L-I-N-G, peeling. Third one, I have a shower when the phone rang. I was having a shower when the phone rang. R-A-N-G, rang. He bit his finger when he have lunch. He bit his finger when he was having lunch. We go down in the lift when suddenly it stopped. We were going down in the lift when suddenly it stopped. S-T-O-P-P-E-D, stopped. Okay. Next, past perfect tense. We use the past perfect tense for an action completed before a certain point, before another action happened. We reached the station at 4:45, but the train had already left. I had done my work by 8:30. The sun had risen when I got up. I told him that I had forgotten the keys. Okay. Next, exercise 7. Mr. Das did these things yesterday morning. He did the things in the order shown. He read the newspaper. He had the breakfast. He watched TV. He talked to his friend. He cleaned his motorbike. He went to the bank. Hint. Begin with when and combine the sentence using the past perfect tense as shown below. When he had read the newspaper, he had breakfast. When he had had breakfast, he continued. So what will it become? Continued. CONTINUED, continued watching. WATCHING, watching TV. Okay. Next, what sentence will you make? Here you can write, when he had watched TV, he talked to his friends. Okay. Next, when he had talked to his friends, when he had talked to his friends. He cleaned his motorbike. He cleaned his motorbike. Okay, and the last sentence I am writing here, children. You have to do this exercise 7 in your notebook. When he had cleaned his motorbike, he went to the bank. So this exercise 7 you are going to complete in your notebook. Next, simple future. We use the simple future tense to talk about predictions, what we think will happen, or things which we cannot control. Example, I think it will rain this afternoon. I am sure you will enjoy the show. Perhaps he will arrive today. My father will be 55 tomorrow. It will be Christmas in a week. We also use these tense when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. Example, it is cold, I will shut the window. Tea or coffee, I will have tea. To talk about things that we have already decided to do, we use the going to form, be going to plus base form, not the simple future tense. Example, have you watched a washing machine? No, we are going to buy one next week. What are you filling the bucket? Why are you filling the bucket with water? I am going to wash the car. We also use the going to form to talk about what seems likely or certain when there is something in the present which tells us about the future. Example, look at those clouds, it is going to rain. The boat is full of water, it is going to sink. Future continuous. We use the future continuous tense to talk about something that will be going on at a certain time in the future. Example, I will be flying to Singapore at this time tomorrow. Don't phone me between 7 and 7:15. I will be watching the news during that time. This tense is also used for future action which are fixed. Example, Mr. Mehta will be giving another lecture at the same time next week. Now, exercise 8. Fill in the blanks with the correct or more suitable verb from the bracket. I think Australia dash the match is going to win. So write is going to win the match. What have you decided to do? I dash the club. I am going to join the club. Okay, now children, the third one, at this time tomorrow Mr. Kapoor dash to Malaysia will be flying. So write will be flying. Fourth one, Mr. Raman is very busy at the moment. That's all right. I dash, so what will come? Will wait. Right? Will wait. Okay, next fifth one. Why do you want to sell your motorbike? I dash buy a car. I am going to buy. Am going to buy. Next we have exercise 9. You have to do in notebook. Okay, do in copy. The answers I'll be telling you in this video. This exercise also you are going to do in copy. Exercise 7. And which exercise you are going to do in your notebook? That is exercise 6. Do in copy. Okay, and the exercise 2nd, do in copy. The answers for these I have already told you in this video, and the fourth one also you are going to do in copy. In your English 2 notebook you are going to do these exercises. The answers I have already told you. Now I am going to tell you the answer for exercise 9. Question number 1, 2 and 3. First one, write 4 sentences in simple future tense. The sentences you can write: the train leaves at 8:20. It is late. I think I will go to bed now. Third sentence, who is arranging the party? Mohan will do it. Fourth one, I will come to see you tomorrow. Next, write 4 sentences is going to form. The answer is: first sentence, Freddy is going to buy a new house soon. Second, I think John and Mary are going to marry next week. Third, we are going to have dinner together tomorrow. Fourth, aren't you going to stay at the library until your report is finished? Third one, write 4 sentences in future tense, continuous tense. Answer: point 1, at 9 p.m. tomorrow I will be meeting my friends. Second, on Sunday morning I will be watching a movie. Third, at 5 this evening we will be watching a talk show. Fourth, when I have retired from work, I will be doing a lot of social work. So children, you are going to complete exercise 9, exercise 7, exercise 6, exercise 4 and exercise 2 in your English 2 notebook. So complete your work in your textbook also and in your notebooks also. Thank you.